Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. So I'm going to make a lunch out here. I'm going to make Chef Boyardee mini ravioli. Now in a canteen cup, so canteen cup cooking. When I bought the SpaghettiOs and meatballs, I also picked up a can of these. And you know they're hot, and you know they're top shelf because they were made by a chef. So, you know, they were 88 cents. I figured, you know, why not? And honestly, mini ravioli aren't too bad. Just keep them in your pantry or whatever, up in the cupboards. Toss a couple cans up there. You're sitting around the house. I'm kind of hungry, but I don't really want to cook a whole meal. Hey, I got some raviolis. I'll just heat that up. Now, I'm a heat it on the stove kind of guy. But, you know, if you want to heat it up in a microwave, you know, hey, it's your meal. Personally, I don't use microwave for reheating things. I don't use it for cooking my meals. I mean, I guess technically it's cooked, but you know, whatever. Let's get this sucker on. Gotta love the quick pull tops. No need to bring a P38. Get out of there. One stubborn guy. There we go. I just put a little water in the can just to get rid of all the extra flavor in there. Nice. Make sure I keep the heat down so I don't scorch the crap out of the raviolis. Alright, we're seeing some steam in action going. Oh yeah, see a little bubbling. They're probably hot enough. I've been stirring them off camera pretty often so they don't burn or get scorched, but oh yeah, that's hot. So we're gonna go ahead and kill the heat. And I'm going to move it down to the ground because I know it's going to happen. I'm going to knock it right off the stove. So we're going to kick this up a notch with some Texas Pete hot sauce. Oh yeah, as Matt the Florida boy says, just a drop. Excuse me. Then I'm going to throw in my secret ingredient, Doritos. Bust them up. I like adding Doritos for two reasons. One, it gives it a nice crunchy texture, but also you get all that awesome cheese, powdered cheese in there with it. If you're carrying these on the trail, it doesn't matter if you break them up because you're just going to pour it into the. And you also have a garbage bag for all your trash. Little mini trash bag. You can pack everything out with you. No matter how small, even the little labels and the Texas corner of the Texas Pete packet. Oh yeah. That's the stuff right there. Probably gonna use 2 bags. I got my tea from another video, which you'll probably see before this one, so I'll link it below if you missed it. recommend that Texas Pete. And the crunch of those Doritos. Plus all that awesome nacho cheese. That little bag was out of a 12-pack of, that you put in your lunches. So I take them to work with me and I eat them on my lunch break. But sometimes what I'll do, if I have a bag of Doritos, I'll eat down to the bottom and where I have all those crumbs at the bottom. Then I'll dump them in the ravioli, if I have any. I poured it on the soup as well. Poured on chili. Not a bad meal for less than $1.